Hey YouTube. So I don't know if anybody else has ever had this problem, but the Yamaha Waverunners generally have a glove box that if this latch is open, the box will pop up. And what used to happen to me, and this is a 2008 SHO. This was my first supercharged jet ski I ever got. But what used to happen is when I would ride rough, these clips would either come undone or break loose and the lid would pop up, and then I would hit it with my body and it kept breaking these caps off. And I've replaced this one probably about 4 times since I've owned this ski. So what I did is I reversed the springs on it, so instead of it popping open, if the clip breaks, it closes. So what I did is I got a coil spring and I put a rod going across through the things. I took the clips out and all the factory stuff, and I put a reverse spring in there. And now when you open it, you don't even have to latch it. It just closes. You can see the top of the spring right there is on the top of the lid. And I've been running it like this. I mean, you can see some rust on the spring now. It's been like this for probably about 6 years now, and it's never come off again. But yeah, I don't know why Yamaha doesn't change this design. Probably because they sell so many lids. But if you're tired of it, you can do this, and you shouldn't have the problem anymore. Hope this helps. Please subscribe.